Hiya guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving. My name is Aman and today I'm doing a driving lesson with Zena. Now her test is in about 45 minutes to an hour's time. So we're just doing a little drive before the test. And how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good?
Nervous.
Nerves kicking in yet?
Not really.
Not really, it's all good. Alright, well, we're gonna get started. So when you're ready. So lessons as normal. You can probably put the sun visor away. Do you need it? There you go. Put this on. There you go. Let's make a left turn up there.
It's a bit early too.
Do what you normally would do. Hit indicate back there.
Yeah, basically. Oh, it's a giveaway. It's not too bad. It's fairly quiet, you know. Do you know what I mean?
It is pretty quiet. We've got summer holidays right now.
They like finished today, basically, or yesterday, or whenever they finished.
The roads are empty. Can't complain. All right, at the end of the road, turn right, please. The car on the left, because it was approaching slow, that was fine. But what if they were faster?
Oh god, I'm gone.
Okay.
Because I could tell by his judgment that he was already kind of like slowing down.
Turn right. You know what it feels like?
Yeah.
The calm before the storm. It's too quiet.
Please don't jinx it.
No, I'm just generally saying. I'm saying brace yourself, prepare yourself for the worst. But it's too quiet right now.
But I feel like I won't get the what's it called? Like the work rush.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Like that finishes later, right? Okay, he's turning into that hole. I've seen that. Oh, why is it too? Oh, is he doing parallel?
No, I think he's just waiting for the other learner. Now,
okay, I'm just
should be alright.
Oh, it's probably a new drive.
He's rolling back.
Oh my gosh, that's okay. I've kept a good distance.
Yeah,
And
you're good.
The person on my right, he's come out. So
no, you're good.
Should I leave?
Well, we can't until this person.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Should I like think? Okay, I might keep a safe distance from this guy, dude. Oh,
he said keep a safer distance, and then you get closer.
It's alright. I just don't want them to roll back again.
Yeah, no, give them that space. We're gonna go ahead from here.
I don't think I've actually ever rolled back. Only on, you know, that Southall Bridge, the one that people get a ticket when they turn right. I literally think only then I basically rolled back.
I think the person in front's on test. I can see a high vis on the wing mirror on the left. Just hold yourself, just don't. You're good. You're not too close.
Not too close, yeah?
No. Okay.
Should I keep okay, we're now like kind of like off.
I want you to drive normally, but you know this learner's been rolling back and reacting slow to things, so just...
Okay, I might keep this distance.
Okay.
Just in case.
Safe to say.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
No, because they could roll back quite a bit, so you don't know like how much they'll roll back again. Well, I feel like we're on a fairly
We're on flatter,
surface,
yeah, flatter surface now, so it should be okay. Ooh.
That was tight. Oh.
How's that?
Oh, that's very tight.
Ooh.
That was tight. Oh.
How's that?
Oh, that's very tight.
Why are we squeezing through?
No, that was so tight.
Just be nice.
That was bad.
That was not good.
No, I should have been slower.
We should have waited.
Or should I waited, yeah.
Where are you going?
I was planning to go into that, but I felt like I left it too late to go in. I would have been like this.
But as long as they can get through, right?
Yeah.
That's the main
Or is the back
objective.
not gonna...
Keep it more left. We'll talk about that in a second, okay? Traffic lights, let's turn right. Are you going to position next to the centre? Yeah?
No. I'm gonna do it here.
Okay, good. Okay, so we've always talked about clearance. 1 metre.
Yeah, that was bad.
That was like...
Because I felt like I left it too late to go into that spot and the back would have been out. That's what I thought.
Nah, it was worse what we were trying to get through at the front,
Yeah,
right?
that was quite bad. That was like tight. I won't do that again. I'm just gonna wait here
Okay.
until...
Yeah, I bet.
There we go.
Don't go any... Don't worry about the arrow, because you don't want to be in their way.
I get off this
There you
car,
go.
I'm going to go...
Well done.
Yeah, that was alright.
Alright, so what happened with the meat?
That was bad. I thought I basically didn't leave myself enough time to basically...
Because you were worried about the back.
Yeah.
But I was more worried about the front there.
Yeah.
Okay, the right turn there is good. Don't feel like
go
you've got to be
forward.
fully on the arrow because you don't want to be obstructing them. Yeah, because you don't want to be in their way, do you?
Because if it's a car, like at least they go through, but the lorry probably wouldn't now.
Traffic lights, turn left.
The motorcycle. You know, most motorcycles.
Think about what you need to do, Zena. Sorry.
No, I'm going to stop anyway. Oops. I didn't get down quick. I didn't get down.
What's going on all of a sudden? The camera's making you anxious.
Okay, that's okay.
You just needed to put the clutch down earlier there, okay? You know you're stopping, so brake, and then once you're
But
slow enough.
I didn't get into gear 2.
It didn't matter about going into gear 2, you just put the clutch down too late. Okay?
Yeah. That was bad. At least we didn't jerk, like, properly.
If you can pull in and park up on the left before that red car. Orange car.
Let's put my clutch down and roll. I think I'm okay.
Thank you. I'd like you to use the vehicle in front now to do the parallel park exercise.
Okay.
So start in the road, then reverse back and finish within 2, and no going on the pavement.
Okay.
That's fine then.
Yeah.
It's good. We're in the
I'm a bit
space,
bent on.
but we're slightly angled.
Yeah.
At what point? What was your reference with that one?
I think it was a bit late.
Yeah. No, not late.
Early.
You're slightly early, so your front is slightly out. But this is not fault.
Okay.
Just you need to just let it go back a bit more.
Okay.
In the
So
second
is it
half.
because I turned like quicker? I think I turned a bit more than one.
No, that was fine. The turns were fine. Okay. You can have water. Go ahead. Basically, you're like this, right?
Yeah.
You should have let it go back a bit more.
And then straight in.
And that's it.
Okay. That's okay.
So you're just slightly wonky, but you're in the space.
Okay.
Ready?
That's fine, yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. At least I know now that I shouldn't be early.
Why is it flying out over there? Could you tell me that? Why is the car going over
my
there?
steering wheel.
What about it?
That is too quick.
Pull into this space on the left. Literally in that space. Park it, yeah? Park it.
Yep.
Let's move off. Imagine we had a car parked in front of you.
Yeah.
and move off with this imaginary parked car now.
Like this? Yeah. I did the, you know, like the steering wheel, I did like that.
Alright, we're going to go back to that road where you had your issue from earlier. You know, the clearance.
Oh yeah.
We're going to go back to that.
Oh,
Whoa.
shit.
From earlier. You know, the clearance.
Oh yeah.
We're going to go back to that. Whoa.
Shit. Is that the same?
I'll tell you what that was in a second. Come over to the left, Billy.
I don't think I've ever done that, I'll tell you that much. Is that the
That was just a
same?
very, yeah, it is.
Oh man, I hope it's not the test.
Poor learner, it is a test, unfortunately.
I don't want that to be me. Going right?
No, we'll go straight. I'm quite happy that you know how to turn right
Turn
at this
right, yeah.
junction.
I mean, I learnt with you, so.
I'm quite happy you can definitely turn right on your own.
We can talk about after when it's up.
We're going straight, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, look at him waving at the bus. That's so cute. To let them know I can do that, right?
We never signal right to go.
Never?
No, we don't need to.
Okay.
It's not like, because you're coming back to your side of the road. Sorry, I laugh
thought it was
because
for
you've
the
never
bus
done that
driver.
before.
I got told to do it.
Okay, well,
once.
if you had signalled right to go around the bus,
Then
fine.
I have to. Okay.
But you don't need to left
I did
signal.
that last time as well.
Yeah. Look, this is where you were earlier when you got really close to that blue car.
Yeah.
Look at this space.
Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. That was so bad. I don't know who I thought I was doing that.
You live and learn, but remember, don't put yourself in uncomfortable spaces. Alright, okay. Well, we've got enough time. Okay, so, sorry. Some of the things that kind of happened in that little bit, you get with the whole blue car clearance thing.
Yeah, that was bad. Obviously, I realise now that we've come the opposite way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this road is not wide enough for two in the middle. It
So I
looks
need
quite
to-
wide, but it's still not wide enough for two, is it?
So I need to make sure like I'm always going in, like trying to be in
Or
line.
if they go out of the way, then that's different. But earlier the car was coming through.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's everything really.
So that was bad, and my meeting with traffic.
We're just gonna quickly go work on some of that now.
Alright.
Yeah, we've worked on this
That
before. I
hasn't
think
been
you just
bad.
you
I
just-
think that was bad because I panicked that I was too late to go in.
yeah, no, you are getting a little bit anxious with these meetings at the moment because we've had some traffic turn up all of a sudden.
Yeah.
But this is what we should be dealing with. As soon as a car
No,
turns up,
that's-
we're thinking about where we're meeting them. We're not trying to get through the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, we will keep you updated with the results in a few minutes' time. Okay. You gonna say it?
I passed.
So Zena's just come back in from her test and she has passed. I want you to cover that number, but yeah.
No shit.
It's all right. I'll blur it out. I'll have to just kind of. How was your test in the end then?
Good. Very good.
Was it how you expected it to be?
It was a lot easier.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah, it was nice drive.
You
It
did
wasn't
have
as
a bit of
busy.
trouble with meeting,
Oh yes.
but not as bad.
It's not as bad. It was, I
handled
slowed
it.
down. Yeah. Had I been faster, I probably would have failed. But yeah, you know.
No, the examiner said it was a good drive.
Yeah.
You just need to be a bit more careful.
Careful with that. Yeah, I knew he was going to say that. So I was like, let me get the fast so I can. You can
said
see.
it.
Yeah.
No, it's been an absolute pleasure doing your lessons.
Yeah, it's
Wish you
been
all the best for
fun.
the future.
Yeah, and you.
Thank you all. And thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.